Welcome back, friends. This is Wendy with Cannin Plannin. We are doing Craft With Me day number 7. Today we're going to be using the coffee kit, and I brought a weekly insert because we're going to play in our actual planners today. So let's check it out. All right, you guys, I grabbed a weekly sampler. This is actually one in a medium size that I got from our Tula 12 tour, excuse me, in Redmond, Washington. And the extras I have today are this sampler. I have a skinny washi tape. This is the one with the teal coffee beans on it. And then I have the coffee kit. We are going to actually decorate the first page inside. This inside here is the weekly block, and this is the lined and undated. So we're going to play with some stickers and some paper utilizing this kit today, and some washi tape, and just have some fun with it. So again, this is our Deco kit. It comes with 6 double-sided papers, 2 pieces of cardstock, 2 journal cards, 5 die cuts, 2 envelopes, and a sticker sheet. And I'm excited to be diving into this particular one today because it's going to be a lot of fun. So I want to use some brown, I think, on here because I have a lot of the teal. And I don't want to take up a whole lot of space for our planning part. And so I'm just going to cut a little strip of this brown paper off the bottom of this one sheet so that I can add just a little dash of that coffee brown color. I guess it's not really, it's more like a latte with lots of creamer in it. So we're going to utilize this little piece of strip at the bottom, just down here. So we're going to have a little bit of color there, and we're actually going to do some washi over the top of it just to add a little splash of color. I thought it'd be fun for craft with me for you to do some decorating in your actual planner. So I'm going to utilize this bottom of this, and I'm just going to stick that on there. Use my scissors and cut off this excess like so. We're going to use this washi tape. I love being able to use the washi because you can do so much with it. You can add sections in here, all kinds of stuff. But what I wanted to do is just put a little stripe of this teal right down the middle of this brown color. And if you have a stencil handy, which I always have handy, I like to use that as my cutter. And then I think that I want to add this on the bottom stripe of each one of these little block sections, just for, again, a little bit of color, a little bit of fun, and to be able to just play with it. Again, this is the medium insert. We do not have this particular insert available, but if you go to the tour, it is an insert that you can get at the tour. If not, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys a couple of the layouts that you can utilize with this particular, that are in this insert. Again, this first one is weekly blocks, and we're just adding a little touch of color to our cover inserts. There we go. So there's a little bit of color. I want to use some of these amazing stickers. Because I have this brown here, I'm going to use this one, which these are new with these stickers. She's taken the journal cards that we've gotten and she's added them right down here to be in a sticker form. So I'm going to utilize this one just to put on the corner right here because I think it's super cute. The best time to drink coffee is now. And then I want to add maybe another coffee up here. There we go. And that's it, you guys. It doesn't have to be a whole lot of color to make it just stand out a little bit. And what I found with my particular planner is that if it has a little bit of color in it and it looks exciting to look at, I'm more likely to use it. So thank you guys for joining me for day number 7 of Craft With Me. If you have found this information helpful, please feel free to share it out. Otherwise, I'll catch you back next time with Cannin Plannin. Bye, friends.